Terraform Production Readiness Checklist. Production readiness controls what Terraform is allowed to change. Terraform executes configuration without understanding business impact. Unchecked automation can delete, replace, or expose live infrastructure. Guardrails convert operator intent into repeatable safety checks. On submarines, isolation tags prevented accidental shutdown of live systems. The tag did not trust memory, rank, or intention. Terraform needs the same external guardrails because automation follows instructions exactly. Terraform COI versions define language behavior. AWS provider versions define resource behavior. Provider changes can alter arguments, validation, or API mapping. Version constraints keep local and CI execution consistent. Terraform state maps configuration to real cloud resources. Local state creates separate infrastructure histories per machine. Remote state gives every operator one shared record. State locking prevents concurrent writes from corrupt infrastructure tracking. Validation catches configuration defects before AWS calls occur. Formatting checks expose inconsistent code before review begins. Static validation fails faster than failed infrastructure deployment. Early failure keeps troubleshooting close to the source. Hard-coded environment values couple code to one deployment. Variables separate reusable logic from environment-specific values. Shared modules can deploy different environments with different inputs. Input separation reduces duplication and configuration drift. Terraform replaces resources when arguments require recreation. Replacement can destroy production data or service dependencies. Lifecycle protection blocks accidental deletion during apply. Operators must remove protection deliberately before destructive change. Terraform uses IAM credentials for every AWS API call. Broad credentials increase damage from mistakes or compromise. Caller identity data removes hard-coded account identifiers from policies. Scope permissions limit Terraform to intended parameter paths. A saved plan records Terraform's intended actions. Review exposes creates, updates, deletes, and replacements. Unexpected replacement usually signals hidden configuration risks. Applying the saved plan prevents unreviewed plan drift. Production readiness is a sequence, not one command. Pin versions before execution behavior can change. Protect state before multiple operators collaborate. Validate code before planning infrastructure changes. Review plans before applying production mutations. Constrain IAM before Terraform receives cloud authority.